Let's go into the biggest and most consistent one that we see for employee benefits, the money that you put into your 401k or your 403b at your employer. We talk about this concept pre-tax first because there are two different types or two different structures of employee benefit plans. There are Roth accounts and there are traditional or pre-tax accounts. And this concept is important to understand if you are seeking to have your loans forgiven through IDR plans. What dictates a Roth or a pre-tax slash traditional plan is when you owe taxes. As an example, with a Roth plan, you don't pay taxes on the money that you take out in exchange for paying tax on the money when it's contributed. As an example, you have that same $1,000 that you're due to be paid, and you decide that you're going to put $100 into your Roth 401k. Well, because this is not a pre-tax plan, you're still going to pay taxes on that full $1,000. You are not getting the benefit of a pre-tax deduction. But that money grows and grows and grows. And let's say that in your retirement years, you decide to take out $10,000 from that Roth 401k. You do not owe tax on a dollar of those funds at the federal income level because the government is only going to tax you on one side of the equation. They either tax it going in or coming out, but not both. And with the Roth account, you pay taxes on the front end in exchange for not paying them in retirement. Now, a lot of people love and rave about Roth retirement plans, and they argue that it's the only way that you should put money aside because you get your taxes out the way and you don't have to worry about it in retirement. But if you're looking at it through the lens of a federal student loan borrower who's on an income-driven repayment plan, the goal is to reduce your adjusted gross income. And the more you reduce your adjusted gross income, the lower your student loan payment becomes. And the lower your student loan payment becomes, the less you have to pay towards your loans that were already due to be forgiven, which in many cases is the goal.